नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मन की बात गुरु के साथ। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं, विल आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस विल ट्रूली रिप्लेस द करियर ऑफ योर चाइल्ड और शुड यू बी वरिड इफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस विल एक्चुअली एंड अप रिप्लेसिंग द करियर ऑफ योर चाइल्ड। सबसे पहले समझते हैं हाउ द वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड इन द पास्ट फ्यू डेकेड्स। 1950s तक वी वर इन एग्रीकल्चरल इकोनॉमी एंड सून आफ्टर दैट वी शिफ्टेड टू इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन। फिर एक दौर आया जब सब ने सॉफ्टवेयर और प्रोग्रामिंग सीखना चालू किया। एपटेक, NIIT जैसी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज ने अपने अपने कोर्सेज निकाले एंड वर्ल्ड मूव्ड इनटू कंप्यूटेशनल एरा। और आज एक ऐसा टाइम आ गया है जहां पे कोडर्स को जॉब नहीं मिल रही बिकॉज कंप्यूटेशनल एरा इज नाउ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इनटू कॉग्निटिव एरा, द एरा ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, जहां पे मशीन्स वो सब काम करने लग गई हैं जो एक कंप्यूटर पहले किया करता था, जहां पे मशीन्स एक ह्यूमन की तरह सोचने लग गई हैं एंड दे आर एबल टू थिंक कॉग्निटिवली एंड मेक कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क्स सीम वेरी वेरी सिंपल। अब ऐसी सिचुएशन में क्या हम सबको ये डर होना चाहिए कि कहीं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारे बच्चों का करियर रिप्लेस तो नहीं कर देगा? आइए इस बात को डिटेल में समझते हैं। आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको एक बात बता देता हूँ, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस विल नॉट रिप्लेस योर चाइल्ड्स करियर, but somebody who would know artificial intelligence will definitely replace your child. Because in today's time, every business function, everything that we do which is repetitive can be truly replaced by AI. But what AI cannot replace is critical thinking, problem solving, creative intelligence and emotional intelligence of your child. और इसी बात को समझाने के लिए आज का वीडियो बना है। Let's start with the first part. Till now, Indian education system has been designed for rote learning, mugging up, ratta maro, exam likho, number lao. But in today's time, entire information is freely available on ChatGPT. It's available on LLMs. Basically, knowledge has become truly free and democratic. आज के time पे degree has no value because the entire knowledge is available in ChatGPT at the click of a finger. So today's time is more about critical thinking. It is not anymore about what is there. It is about why is it happening. So when your child actually watches a headline on a news channel, he should not ask what is the headline or who wrote it. He should actually ask why is the headline coming and why it has been written the way it has been written. It is actually about asking why behind every possible problem. As long as your child is able to answer the why, as long as your child has critical thinking, he or she will never be replaced by artificial intelligence. Number 2, till now we used to actually take creativity very lightly. But in today's time, in the era of artificial intelligence, creativity is what is going to make your child irreplaceable by AI. Let's understand this. Today, AI can create an image, a creative, maybe write a poem or draw a painting. But what AI cannot do is being truly innovative. Artificial intelligence can definitely create a beautiful image in matter of seconds, but it cannot connect the dots. It cannot give a storyline. It cannot give a theme. And for all of this, you need a creative mindset to be able to visualize what he or she truly wants out of artificial intelligence. The only thing is, a human can get bored. AI and machines can never get bored. And that's why in today's time, if you have a human who is creative in his skill set and can use artificial intelligence, will never get replaced in his or her career. So it's not going to be about designing a creative. It's actually going to be about that creative mind which will give a beautiful and a correct prompt to artificial intelligence to come up with a beautiful image which has a lot of meaning, because the power lies in the meaning and not just in the image. Number 3, emotional intelligence or emotional quotient. We always used to tell our children not to be truly emotional. But what if I tell you 99% of the successful CEOs in the world have higher EQ over their IQ? Yes, you heard me right. EQ is really important for success in real world. But imagine, AI can actually do the monotonous task. AI can actually do the repetitive task. AI can actually go to the extent of predicting the disease in a patient, but what AI will never be able to do is have empathy of sitting across the patient, understanding his or her fears, and then explaining about the disease, the prognosis, or the treatment in a very human manner. And that's where a human will never be replaced by AI, because artificial intelligence machines or robots will never have empathy and emotions attached to them. So if your child has high EQ, chances are your child will never be replaced by artificial intelligence. Number 4. AI is a great builder, but AI will never be a great architect. इस बात को ध्यान से समझिएगा. AI can create something for you as long as you know what you want to create from AI. But AI will never be able to think beyond a certain paradigm or beyond a certain situation. Problem solving is the biggest trait that an architect will have. And I'm not saying an architect of a building. Anybody who's creating something or anybody who's trying to solve a problem solving is the biggest trait that makes them successful in their career. But in real world, AI will be able to do a lot of complex tasks. AI will be able to identify the problems as well, but AI will never be able to come up with innovative solutions to the problem. And that's where the true difference would lie in somebody who gets replaced and somebody who is irreplaceable. An irreplaceable person will be one who has true problem-solving skills up his sleeve. AI will never be able to adapt to volatile situations. For example, AI might give you a contract, but AI will never be able to understand how to negotiate well with a tough opponent, or a tough client, or a tough negotiator on the other side of the table. So in today's time, if you truly want your child to become irreplaceable, you're not supposed to be scared of AI. You're supposed to make AI your friend, AI as your alibi. But you need to understand you need a human to drive AI or to use AI for the best possible solutions. You need somebody who has innovation, critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity up their sleeve so that they can actually be successful in the future world.